Do you know how someone like Oprah has manifested a life full of success, alignment, and deep joy? She practices one simple thing every single day. It's called the Rampage of Appreciation technique. When I have practiced it, it has changed my life also completely. It's simple but very powerful. And the best part, you can do it anytime, anywhere, while walking, driving, waiting in a queue, anywhere. But the most powerful time to practice is when something is about to trigger you. And trust me when I'm saying this, even if you understand nothing about manifestation practices, this process can cause you to practice the art of allowing and receiving without even knowing it. To start with, it would be a good idea to set aside just 5 minutes to do specifically this process and hear how it works, okay? So I want you to look around. Just find one thing, anything, it could be anything. Look around, find one thing that you can genuinely appreciate. It could be a tree, it could be a candle, it could be sunlight, even your favorite cup of tea. Yes, now gently focus on it with a smile in your face and gratitude in your heart. Notice what you love about it and then shift your attention to something else that serves you. And then the another. Do it for 5 minutes daily. This is not about finding something troubling and then fixing it, my dear. It's a process of practicing higher vibration. And the more you maintain these good feeling frequencies, the more the manifestation techniques will automatically become yours, right? And you can manifest anything that you desire in your life. Because when you do this, you connect to your source energy and you start to receive clear guidance from your inner being. This is the most powerful connection between who you are and who you always were meant to be. So from today, try this Rampage of Appreciation technique for just 5 minutes daily, anywhere, anytime, and watch your life begin to shift, my dear. Share this video with at least 5 of your friends who really wants this.